Okay, the next one is taper angle. Taper angle is really cool. The activity you're opening up for that is extrude taper. There was a really hard part to draw. There's a whole square. Okay? When you do this one, when you go to extrude, there's I'm going to zoom out a little bit, there's a more button here, which has what's called a taper angle on it. What's really cool though is the arrow allowed you to drag your box in or out, right? What do you think this little ball does? Connor? That's your taper angle. Okay? Now, there's two types of taper angles, and this is what you need to write in your notes. The two types of taper angles are positive taper angles and negatives. Let me demonstrate a positive. There's a positive taper angle, which means it gets what? Larger or smaller? Larger. That's a positive taper angle. You also have negative taper angles. What's up? It gets smaller. Here's what's cool. Because I have control on my extrusion, I want to make a perfect, I'm making a pyramid. So I want that a little longer, and I'm going to change my taper angle just a little bit more. Okay? That should be pretty good. I got a pyramid. Wait a minute. Actually, I wanted to make a point, a really long point. But if I only pull, is my extrusion actually longer? Yes, it is. It's 3 inches. Well, what needs to change to get it to more of a point? The taper angle. So I have to have less negative taper angle. Do you see it? And it actually will bring it out. Does that kind of make sense? Now, here's where you get to it in extrude. If you wanted to do it, like if I wanted that to be 4 inches, I go to more, and under the more, I can change my taper angle. Do you see it? And that might be, what also is cool is you can go decimal places. So I can go negative 7.5 and click OK. Questions on taper angle? You're going to do both. Okay? You're going to play around with it, and then when you're done, save it as one of them. It doesn't matter which one you save it as. You're just going to play around. Make sure you can do positive, negative. Make sure you can get them. Actually, do this. When you save one, save it as positive, and then you do another one, save it as negative. That'll work.